Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is a continuation of Fire in the Code series, and this time instead of making a short, I am making a proper video to explain what is the issue, how I came across the issue, and how we can fix it. And this video will serve a purpose to explain about the requirement and importance of unit tests. So let's get going. So here is the example that I have, and I came across the similar situation in one of my projects where I was looking into a legacy code. So if you see, we have a record employee which takes an ID, first name, last name, and age, and there is a validate method. Here for the demo purpose I am validating the age. Now if the age is less than 18, I am returning a message. I know not the good design pattern over here, but this should suffice us for the demo purpose. And if the age is valid, I am returning null. So if you see the error message, we basically validate the age that it should be less than 18, and then we drop an error message. We say invalid age for person, and we say if the first name is not null, return the first name, else append the ID. So ideally, what the expectation here is that the message should be invalid age for person and first name. So here I have an example employee created. So the first name is first and the age is 15. So the expectation is that the message should be invalid age for person first. Now let's run this example and see if we get the expected message. So what do we have here? So if you see in the output, we see that the message is not there and we only get the first. First is what? First is the first name of the employee. So now let's get into it and see what is the problem. So we have a proper ternary operation over here, but what ends up happening over here is that first this message invalid age for person and the first name, this gets appended together, and on top of it we execute the ternary condition. So it ends up becoming invalid age for person first, which is exactly not null, and then we return first name. So we always get the first name over here. So how do we fix it? We simply need to mark the ternary condition inside a parenthesis, and that should fix our problem. So let's run it again, and this time we get invalid age for person first. So how would unit test help over here? So in my project there was no unit test. If the unit test would be here, the original author would have known that error message exactly is not what they expected, and this would not be hidden inside this logic. So that's why you should always try to write unit tests for your Java code. So I hope this video was useful. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.